Hey everybody, here is your update on the Yerf Dog Go-Kart Predator 212 replacement. I've got everything installed. When I put on the new torque converter and clutch assembly, this part of the torque converter was in the way of the old mounting plate assembly, and it had like a piece that came up that I couldn't install that with this here. And so I cut my mounting plate, you can see down here, cut it with my angle grinder. And so now the plate is only holding to the body with 4 bolts instead of 6, but it should be fine. Got them on their lock washer, got it all tight. Something else I did was I rotated the engine pull cord here. It was over here, I just didn't want to pull it and run into the seat. So it's pretty easy, you just undo the 3 little bolts and then you can really just rotate it. So I got it right there. I did test drive this, and unfortunately while I was driving it, the throttle cable broke. So I have a new throttle cable on the way, but this thing is running nice, sounds good, everything works. So I've got this up on jack stands. I was gonna turn it on so you guys could hear it. So what I'll do here is just go to the on switch, on off switch, turn it on. Then over here you've got the start run for the choke, and then the gas on or off. I'm gonna leave this on start, and then the gas, I'm gonna turn it back on. So there we go. Now I should just be able to start it. Let me switch hands. Oh, let me try that one more time. I moved it over to run on the choke. Oh, we're looking good. It's got a little throttle, that's why I have this on jack stands. Looking good. Yeah. Now I'm just waiting on that throttle cable to get here. I'll attach that, and we can go ride around on the street and in the backyard with it. So, hope you guys like it. I'll do another video of when we get the throttle cable attached and let my girls drive it around. You guys have a good one.